stop.
There's more bet. There.
Jesus
Can you bet
Christ.
wait, can you bet multiple times?
Dude, these people... maybe.
Some kid is
This
fighting with
person
a
is
furry.
being, like, very rude in chat. Some person's being
Yeah, kind of bad.
toxic in chat.
Oh crap, dude. This guy's gonna
Alright, so
push
we
me
have a
off.
truce, right?
Oh no. This guy's gonna push me off. I'm gonna die.
Dude! This is...
Wait, I'm
This
on the
is
bottom.
35. This is 35. I can...
No.
Why? What? We can't even... Huh? Help. Dude.
Oh crap. It's damage. I'm taking damage. Help. Help, help, help.
I can't move off
I'm dead,
it.
man. I'm dead. This guy's living off me.
Dude, look at my chance.
I just killed the kid. Oh, so many people just died. I shouldn't have touched
Dude, this
the
guy is on my head.
I shouldn't have touched
Wait,
the
spectate
button.
me?
Give me a little plate.
To help me.
Oh, the guy on top of you bought a parachute. Oh,
Get 5 coin chests or
kill your
5
teammate.
time bombs. No, I'm not gonna kill him. I can't.
Oh, he's probably gonna make you fall off.
Sus.
Oh no! Please don't. Damage him a little bit. Like get him half HP. Oh no, you guys are dead.
Oh.
You're dead. See ya.
Well, fuck.
Oh, there you go. You got flung. Bro, you literally got flung so high.
That was all his fault.
That was your mom's fault.
That was so unfair. Whoever paid for that game mode, I hate you.
Yes.
Why? Why would you do that?
I don't know if people pay like do you have to pay you have to always pay to get different rounds, or does it just randomly select it? That's one question on my mind. I don't even know.
Press it. Pro restrain tense. Oh my god. Wait, come to me. I'm like near the last winner's place in like a corner with 3 people on one thing.
Oh, I see.
Near the past winners. Hey, look at this. It's a sudden death if the person at the bottom moves. Growers drink 5 suds. I dare you to move.
There's not enough room, you should press it. Yeah, I agree with this guy. Dare to move, get the get lucky. Yes, move! Funny.
I even...
Oh. Bro, if random moves or jumps off, everybody dies. Leave me alone! Shut up.
Dude,
Oh,
Captain.
good sword, oh god.
Oh, this is exact... Dude!
Oh,
This guy's killing his friends.
Worth it, yes, it's worth it. Get the kills.
Dude,
Yes, I
if
agree.
he kills them, it's gonna fall onto the... Their limbs are gonna fall into the button.
Oh, some guy got a time bomb. You have to be killed. Be executed. They should make it so, like, if you have a time bomb in your head and you get killed by, like, a sword or something, the bomb should, like, drop onto the plate. Oh, this guy sabotaged. Unlucky. He got 4th. He did that all for nothing. Untouchable. But I have the badge. I don't know what it's for though.
I got so lucky. Am I right?
How did this guy get over here? What? Oh, I already see that.
Oh no.
Oh no. Bro. looks like a
Wait, why is there?
giant worm.
Wait, go to the top. Go to the top. Head to my plate. No. Why does this plate spin? They even have choices on them. Grower shrink 10 studs. I gotta take that deal. So where's the top? It's always just grower shrink 10 studs. I don't know. I don't want to. Sup?
Well, what's the button?
Yeah, how did one person die already? How am I still alive?
I click it.
Like, I'm on a place where it just keeps spinning.
I'm gonna keep on going. Wait, I'm gonna go down until everything's clicked. I'm not going all the way down. Wait.
So where are you? Dude, there's 2 cannons on one plate.
I'm going up.
If you saw where I was, it'd be so funny. Dude, leave me alone.
Oh, okay, me. Okay, me.
Wait, are you already at the top?
No, I'm not. I'm just pressing every single thing. Oh crap.
This plate got lucky.
Oh crap. I just nuked your plate. Oh god. Oh god.
Oh, guess what? I'm not down there.
Moon will fall. Where is it?
Well, where do you think? Oh, look,
In
it
your
missed
mom?
us. Imagine if it hit everyone on top.
Crap. Oh. Oh. Oh.
I can't see the floor, so I gotta turn on my graphics. I still can't see the floor. Damn, we are high up. Jesus, where are we? There's so many plates. Oh, whatever will
I'm
we
gonna push
do?
Emporium off. I'm gonna push him. Get out. This is a nice
That is
plate.
sense of
This
humor.
is your plate. I kinda wanna push him
Keep your
all the way
graphics
down.
at keep your graphics at 4. I mean 5, so you can see the entire map if you
No,
want to.
I'm recording and it's laggy.
Fine, I was just suggesting, cause I'm all the way at the top. Or well, I'm not all the way up.
Oh, this is the highest I can go. At Super Pigeon Potto plate. Pottos. Pottoos. I don't know how to pronounce that. What?
Oh, no, help me, help me,
Where are you?
God, your mom.
Mom.
I'm at the top.
How did you get up to this top?
Wait, where are you?
I'm at the top of the highest thing I can go. They got chopped off by some guy's plate that died. Oh, sniper tower.
Oh, shit. Oh crap, I'm dead. I'm so dead.
Dude,
I can't get back
literally
up.
see the air
I'm
striker.
dead. No.
Oh crap. No! No!
Where are you? Wait, are you at the bottom?
Oh, it's okay, you got a freeze ray. How did you get that? Oh no! This guy's just killing everyone he sees.
Dude, they're trying to snipe me. Stop. Stop trying to snipe me, please.
Some girl got trapped in ice, and then her ice got stuck in the plate. And now, wait, she's actually in a bear trap. She got stuck.
Thug. Dude, I want to get onto this top plate, but I don't know how.
Oh, this is tsunami. Oh god.
Oh, the person
Oh
just
no!
up here is
She
dead.
fell! Oh, there she goes. She died. Let me up. That's that. Be on your head.
If you die,
Oh.
spectate me.
I'm gonna go down.
I honestly, I can see where you are.
He just hit someone. Oh.
Wait, jump. Wait, jump.
I'm all the way at the bottom. At the very bottom.
I'm so much. Wait, look up, and you'll see me on like a rotating plate.
No, there's some kid with a freeze ray near me,
Nice.
and I'm gonna die if I look up. He's gonna shoot me. If he kills us all, he's gonna die too. Kind of a lose-lose. But it's a win-win if he doesn't kill us. But he just 2 grand, so he's gonna die.
Ugh. No, I wanted to get up. Let me up. No, I fell. God gamer, that's not good. God
Let's
gamer,
see.
that's not good.
Wait, and clone. Oh crap! I'm being sniped.
Oh shit. I'm so much above you.
How did I
Yeah.
die?
Wait, spectate me. I could see you from the top. I'm lucky. Ha! Ha! Ha ha!
Some kid's Wi-Fi is
You're
so
my
bad it
home.
was lagging, and then it somehow shot me. If you look on the recording I'm gonna post to YouTube, you can literally see that it didn't even hit me. I was moving away from that game.
Wait, are you spectating me?
Yeah,
Spectate funny.
I'm spectating.
Please not this. Jesus. No.
Where are you?
God damn it, game. Why? Why does
Oh.
this game hate me?
Oh my god, you're on
Why
a
does
tiny
this game
plate.
hate me?
Oh, teleport to the top.
I've been here for...
You idiot! No!
What the hell?
You idiot, why
What
didn't you teleport
happened?
to the top? Why didn't you teleport?
What? I didn't know it was gonna explode.
Well, you don't. You should have done it anyways. Oh no, the guy with the freeze like killed everybody on the plates at the bottom.
Wait, come here. Dude, come here.
Where? For what? Huh?
Come here.
Where? Where do I go, dumb? I can't get up.
Come here.
Where do I go?
Wait, come here. Jump. Get on my head. Wait. Stop. Alright, go.
Man,
Oh, well, that didn't work. Get on the shoulder.
I wanna push this guy out.
That's what you want?
No, you can't go on that. Cause like, basically every single, body, even this one, it has the normal R6, body package, but it's just like a new mesh on it. And the rest is invisible. See, look, if
Wait,
I try to jump on it,
get on my head. Get on
it'll
my head.
just do that. So yeah, you can't really do anything. It's the same end game.
Nah. Wait, I want to try one more thing. Alright, get on this. Get on my head.
Wait, my peeps. Oh, no! Need to do the fly glitch.
Jesus. I can't remember. I can't do the fly glitch.
Wait, why'd you push me off? Bro, it's pretty easy. All you have to do
I'm
is
trying
just
to
jump
make
on
it
each other's
work.
hair. Just need to jump on each other's
Yeah,
head.
jump on my head.
I'll do it here. So don't fall off. Yes, we did it! Yes! We're gaming! Gaming gods!
Pro. I'm in someone's hair. In someone's hair. Pros. Now we have a front seat experience. Let me get my E set. The gaming god.
Amen.
Did you really buy the spin emote?
Huh? Yeah, I bought all of them. Look.
What?
Wait, did they add new emotes?
Hack.
Wait, no, there's some from, you can get emotes from, mystery boxes. Look, there's some here. And yeah, they didn't add any more, but I bought all of them. Cost like 100,000.
We are the game gods. We got up as pro.
Those. Look, Peter Griffin. Look, I can go over to his head. Dancing on Peter Griffin.
What is this guy trying to do?
I don't know. He's
Bad.
trying to like
He's below us.
glitch. Literally gaming.
All the stuff said in this video Our fit almost fell. That would have been catastrophic.
How are people still alive? Oh, this guy just died. Bro, some guy's literally a marble on a plate.
Oh, what the? Wait, really?
Yes, look.
Girl, move out the way.
Why'd you go off?
He's getting shocked.
Why'd you fall off? Kinda
That
bad.
was an accident. Stop. Come here.
Stay up
We can
here
do it
so
again.
people
I
know
swear.
I'm pro.
How do we do it again?
Your mom? That's all you did.
Stop. Second pro.
You should add a badge, like, if you're able to get up here. The little blocks of badge you can just collect. Bro, your mic sucks. It's literally echoing.
Should be named. Stop.
Bad. Well, my mic sucks too. That's
up.
only on recording. I don't know if it actually is good.
Oh, I
When
broke
I'm on the
something.
call on Discord.
Playing on a 10-year-old iPhone.
How do you even have a 10-year-old iPhone? You're like 12. Wait, is that your like mom's or something?
My
Because you didn't
parents.
get a phone when you're 2. Wait,
No. Dude, help me.
fine. That. Please.
How do we even do it?
Like that. You idiot!
What?
How did you fall off? I hate you! Bro, do it again. That?
I fell through the thing.
The crash is literally like a centimeter. All I can hear is you tapping the jump button.
I mean, we're Mario jumping, but it's not flying.
I'm Mario because I have the red shirt.
What's the glitch called again?
Huh? It's called the fly glitch. Well, that's at least what I call it. Oh, no. Yes, no. Bad game. Stop moving when you're doing it. Not bad.
I'm just holding jump, okay?
Yes, no. Oh, damn it. That was so close. You idiot.
No, how do you?
How did I
How?
fall off? Wait, this guy's helping us.
I don't know. Bill.
Idiot. How did you do that? Oh. Oh, yes. Get up. Gaming.
No, I almost fell again.
Kind of bad.
Mario jump. It took forever. The cake is alive.
When Peter Griffin sus. Imagine if we do the fly glitch in the like
so
the
many people
obby
there.
arena, and then we get so high we can just walk over to the goddamn walk over the entire hard obby. This get like gaming cards.
What's the?
It takes like an entire day to do though.
You want to try it?
No. Why'd you jump off? I hate you. Dumb. Wait. Wait, can we get up here? No, I can't. Yeah.
You got a little.
Oh,
Now we
some
can
guy.
get over there. This is
Oh
very
no, some
hard.
guy's gonna die. No, and there he is.
Oh,
Wait, no, it has no collision. Damn it.
first we gotta do this.
It's gonna be very hard
Damn.
because I am lagging. I'm
What?
recording.
This game is.
Video is gonna be like 30 minutes or like an hour long. Depends how long you stay on call. I've only done like 2 games in like 20 minutes. Why is this game so long? How long has this lasted? 15
Oh!
minutes. Jesus. Why are people still alive? This guy in the marble is still alive. There's like tons of people alive still. Take a while. Wait, should I just pause the video here and then cut back to when the round starts
Probably.
again?
We'll make your
Yeah. Alright, I'll cut.
We'll make your
Alright,
editing
I'll see you
experience
guys
a lot better.
in like
Pause it.
10 minutes. Okay, bye. Okay, so we joined another server, and this thing is taking way too long, so yeah, I'm just gonna pause this again and wait until the round ends, or when it's about to end. Yeah. Okay, I'm back, and the round is starting again. So that took like 15 minutes, or even 20 minutes. So I might cut that out when I edit this, but yeah, your mom's bad.
And
Kidding.
we switch servers.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Oh no. Rush hour and a lava floor? Oh god. Wait, choices. Let's see what choice I get. Row or shrink 10 studs. Worth the risk. Hit my life, but bad. No! Game is bad. Oh crap, no, that wasn't a good idea. Oh, yes, let's go! This kid is a king, let's go! Gaming. I was right about to die, and then, this car's about to hit me, and then, this guy got big plate, and I jumped over. So I'm gaming. Look, we got a big plate now. We can just stand in the middle and dodge it. Oh crap, there's a boss. No, he glitched and died. Oh no. Oh god, no, this is not good. I need to go to this place. No, that game. Oh, how did I survive that? This game. Bro, this game's kind of bad. How did I die, man? This game is bad. Wait, Rainy, you already died? Trash. Not bad. Stop muting. Muting is for fat people. So, you're kind of fat. Oh. Ah, jokes. Shut up. Wait, where are you? Oh, you're over there. Bro. You know. Oh my god. Stop moving. That. I think I might be able to do the funny. Wait, I forgot what you said, Franny. That's probably why you muted. Jesus. Oh. Oh, the round already ended. Rainy, hurry up! Did you leave? Still in the game. Bro, where did you go? The round's about to start. Right here. Stop muting, dumb. Ooh! Oh no, mine's.
Dude, I'm literally right next to you.
Where are you? Where are you? I can't see you. You're not right next to me. No, that's some other kids. Oh crap, no. I'm gonna die. Dude, it targeted me. This game is so bad. I hate this game. Oh, this game is trash. The lightning literally like struck my plate exactly where I was standing. Literally targeted me. This game is bad. It's not supposed to do that, bad game. I have the high ground. Wow, look at your avatar. You're so pro. One moment.
I know, right? Also, I'm lagging like hell.
Might end the recording soon because yeah, your mom. Wait, who has my avatar? Wait, this guy does. Unknown Gallon. Oh no, he get infected. No, this idiot. Why did he infect him? Oh, this guy's lucky. See, mine just went right through his plate. Wait, where are you? Right, you're here. Ooh, use the dynamite. Throw that some AFK kid's plate. Like the guy to your left. Throw the dynamite at the kid on your left. Why did you throw it there? Stupid. That guy wasn't AFK yet. I said to the left. Left! I hate my goddamn English. I said F instead of left. I literally forgot a letter. Oh no, you got an invisible plate. Stop moving. Oh, you guys just died from an invisible mine. Oh no. Not me! You're gonna get hit with it. Dude, you idiot, stop. You're gonna walk off. I literally jinxed it. You're gonna walk off. Yep, you're gonna die. Dude, that's enough. Stop, stop. Stop there. Yeah. Dude, you're on like the very versions of plate. Just look at the guy beside you's plate, and then you can calculate how big your plate is. Actually, you can just see what your plate is by the particles on the plate. Look, those little particles.
This fish is making such a big tantrum. Or what? I can't remember.
Small that. Oh no, you got a zombie. Oh no.
Oh, you're right. Oh, I'm so. Oh,
Here, you're gonna walk off.
go away, zombie.
Dude, I'm gonna watch you walk off.
Yeah, walk off. No. Oh. Oh.
Dude, you're on like
Stop
the
it.
very side of your plate.
Stop being bad.
How did you get hit?
I know it's
Oh wait, you're getting hit by
annoying.
bats.
Stop. Wait, is it breaking? I can't tell.
Bro, jump to the other guy's plate. Dude, you idiot, you're gonna die! Oh my god! Why did you just stay there? Dude, you should have jumped to Meek's plate. Well, that's probably gonna be a while, so I might pause it here again. Actually, I don't really have to pause. But I will, because I don't really, you know. When we're around, I'll end the recording, so, yeah. I'll pause and then I'll return to one. Pause and end.
No.
So guys, I'm back, and, your mom. Oh crap. Somehow not dead, but, yeah. Was AFK, and now
How?
I have, these crackers.
Wait, look to your right. You're gonna die.
Oh crap.
Dude, jump. No, 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 no. You're gonna get shot. There's people behind you.
No, they can't see me.
Everyone has a sniper. Kill that
Oh
person
crap.
next to you.
Oh, he
Dude,
is.
you're gonna get killed. I told you. I wasn't kidding. Shoot the flash barrel. Or not. I don't know. How are you not dead? Wait, go to his plate. Go to his plate. How are you laggy? Oh, laggy. Imagine
Holy
if he
salt.
like
I'm not
gets.
eating this. Salt, what are you saying on my eye?
I've never seen
Oh, I died.
harass N is just
Oh,
alone.
stop, you idiot. Get off my LEDs. Sorry, my cat is dumb. But, yeah, I died, so, funny moment. I'm just gonna cut. I'm gonna pause this for a sec. I'm gonna go eat my cheese and crackers. So yeah, be right back.
Guys, welcome to my Minecraft Let's Play while I watch End Times go on top of the Plinko machine.
Yes. Okay. So, finished my, food, so.
I already have -3 speed, and there's a
Wait,
nuke.
should I,
Thanks,
like,
game.
should I record this, or should I, cut to when when the round starts again? Really?
I couldn't do anything.
Well, I'm just gonna cut. Alright, be back when, round starts again. I'm finished. Okay, the round's about to start again, and, yeah. You mute again, Rainy?
Make it. I'm not gonna make it. Dude, tell the game to stop. Stop doing its functions.
Mom. The game's about to start,
Stop.
that, and, yeah. Video's gonna take, like, a while to upload. It's, like, 30 minutes long, I don't know. Probably gonna be, like, 30 minutes long, because I'm gonna end the recording right after this video. I mean, right after this round, which I'm probably gonna die instantly on. Yeah. Corn rain. Oh, that's all? Corn rain? Ow, my leg. Can't join call or I die. How did these guys die? Wait, does the ship kill them? Or did they just get hit by a block? Oh god. Oh crap. I got hit by a brick. Oh. Well, there goes Rainy. Oh, sup, Dominate West. Oh, long call. God. I kinda wanna kill Dominate. I wanna push the bomb into them. Oh, he's dying anyways. Don't really change anything apart kill him faster. Or he's gonna die anyways from this. Yes. I'm gaming. Bro. We're gonna play spell bear trap. Can't place it anywhere, seriously? Oh, there goes Rainy. Ooh, I got a chair. Oh! What are you doing? Where'd you go? Oh no. Wait, Rainy's still in the game? Oh, I'm dead anyways. Because of this hot potato. Oh! Oh. Oh, Rainy. I'm in top 3.
So,
And I'm dying because I have a hot potato.
what do you think? What do you think Zara's doing?
I don't know. He said he's making an FNF game.
Being stupid?
Probably. Probably being fat.
Are you, what are we doing?
Like Fits of Fat. But I'm gonna end the recording once I die because this is being going on for way too long and it'll take so long to upload. Oh yeah. Once I end this, I'm gonna upload it, and once I upload it, I'll take. Oh crap. No
You're taking
man. If this line extracts me, I swear.
Zalarex, aka other Zar. This is replacement Zar.
Dying. Slowly just dying. Me. For my health. I'm dead.
Replacement Zar for
Oh,
day.
some guy just died. Oh, give him a second. Oh crap. Oh, what? What the hell just happened? I need to look back in the footage. What just happened? Oh, oh. Oh, I died. So, I'm gonna end the recording here.
I got fourth.
See you people who actually watch to the end, which will probably be no one. So, yeah, bye. I'll end this, so it's that.